Alright guys, SPC Hanover 5364 here along with Mrs. Clock. Go ahead, Mrs. Clock.
The time is 18:08. The temperature is 68.5 degrees Fahrenheit. The time is 6:08 p.m. The temperature is 68.5 degrees Fahrenheit.
And before we get started, I have to run to the bathroom, so I will be right back. We will be listening to Paul. So let me get Paul.
Washington, D.C., partly cloudy, 42. Baltimore, clear, 41. Once again, in Harrisburg, it was 41 degrees under clear skies. In New York, it was 37 degrees under clear skies. This is NOAA Weather Radio. All hazards, station WXL 40,
There you go.
serving the lower Susquehanna Valley and originating from the National Weather Service and State College. Here's the hazardous weather outlook for the following counties: Schuylkill, Pennsylvania. For this afternoon and tonight, no hazardous weather is expected at this time. And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. There is a potential for 1 to 3 inches of wet snow accumulation Friday night into Saturday over the higher elevations north and west of the US 220/I-99/I-80 corridor. Here's the hazardous weather outlook for the following counties: Adams, Cumberland, Dauphin, Julietta, Lancaster, Lebanon, Perry, and York. For this afternoon and tonight, no hazardous weather is expected at this time. And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. The probability for widespread hazardous weather is low. The Harrisburg, Pennsylvania climate summary for this evening as of 5 p.m., December 2nd, 2020. Today's high temperature was 44 degrees and the low 35 degrees. A trace of precipitation fell today, which brings the monthly total to 0.01 inches. A trace of snow fell today. The record high for tomorrow is 72, which occurred in 1998, and the record low is 12, which occurred in 1976. Sunset tonight is at 4:42 p.m. Sunrise tomorrow is at 7:13 a.m. The rest of the evening will be quiet compared to the weather over the past few days.
Okay.
Expect partly cloudy to mostly clear skies for tonight. Lows will dip into the mid to upper 20s. Thursday will be warmer with high temperatures near 40.
Okay.
The majority of the day will be mostly sunny. The clouds will build in again Thursday evening.
So, what I'm going to do is, let me just make sure the 400 is a good volume.
Western Pennsylvania could see a few inches of accumulating snow with this system.
Okay. So what I'm going to do, I am going to show you what the WR120 looks like without the faceplates, with the warnings and such. So we'll do it first with it. We'll do it with it on. Oh, you guys can't see very well with the backlight on. I really have to get that close. So first of all, let's go ahead and set the... Uh-oh. There you go. Actually, we'll just leave the lamp on. We'll leave the lamp on. We'll turn the backlight off. There we go. That works. So, now, what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go to the set events. And we're going to edit events. So now, I'm going to shut the light off. Here's the advisory light with the faceplate on. I know you guys can't see the message because the backlight's off. But let's see the scroll of the message. Let's just see, this has administrative message, ADR. So, here's the advisory light with the faceplate on. Now let's take the faceplate off and see what it looks like. Ooh. This kind of looks interesting. Nice. Not bad. So, yep, that's the advisory light. Okay, let's change it to a watch now. See if we can get a watch showing up on here. Let me put the faceplate back on. Okay, the faceplate's on. Okay. Uh-oh, I need a watch. Okay, here we have a watch. Uh-oh, we have a damn watch. That's right, we have a damn watch. A damn watch. The Storm Prediction Center issued a damn watch. But no. A damn watch, like the dam in the stream. Now, here is the, watch light. I had to do that. Here's the watch light on with the, faceplate on. Let's see what the watch light looks like without the faceplate. Nice. It's cool. I'd say it's cool. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Compared to the advisory light, it actually looks yellow on camera, but actually looks orange in person. Okay, so let's do this. Let's put the faceplate back on. I'm pretty sure Wakefield was supposed to test tonight at 6. And let's get a warning on. Here we have a warning. We have a dust storm warning. Okay, so now, excuse me for a second. This is the warning light with the faceplate on. Okay, now we're going to take the faceplate off. Oh, wow, so it looks like nice red. As you know, it looks more red on person than on camera. So, there's what the warning light looks like without the faceplate. So those are what each of the lights look like without their faceplate. I just say without the faceplate. We're now going to put it back on. And I'm going to scroll. Okay, so pretty much this is what we have. Let's get an advisory light on one more time. Okay, here we have an advisory light. We have a hurricane statement. There we go, HLS. So anyway, we are now going to see the advisory light one more time with it off, with the faceplate, and we're going to see it one more time without it. Here's without the faceplate. Looks pretty, looks more orange just to me. It just looks more yellow on camera. But the watch and warning light, the watch light looks more orange in person, and the warning light looks more red in person. So let's go to a watch now. Here we have a watch. Ooh, a high wind watch. So here we are with the watch light on. Now we're going to take the faceplate off. Yep, that's what it looks like with the faceplate off, with the warnings and stuff. Now, put the faceplate back on and we'll get a warning flashing on here. Oh, I just passed a warning. Okay, so you have a warning. We have a severe thunderstorm warning. Okay, time to look at the warning light. Okay, now we're going to look at it without the cover. And there we go. That's what the warning light looks like without the faceplate. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. And I actually know a person who has a broken faceplate, actually, for an EAS enthusiast. I know who has one. YouTuber named Carson, Karson. He is from, like, Texas. He gets KEC 56. He has a 120 that looks like this. And yes, 120 is still not a saving thing, but he has a 120 looks just like this. And he just holds it. He has a 120 that has also no faceplate. You can see how deep these buttons are without the faceplate. I don't know if you guys recognize it, but these buttons are more deep looking than the faceplate. But yeah, one more thing. I don't necessarily have to press the.
Saturday. North Central and northwestern Pennsylvania could see us you.
I don't have to press the weather snooze button to listen to the weather anymore. I can kind of sit this thing up too. Now I can't get it on. There we go. I can set this thing up too, like this. But if I want to listen to the weather, all I gotta do is tilt it back.
Including the city of Harrisburg. Mostly clear. The upper 20s. West wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. Mostly sunny. In the upper 40s. Southwest wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday night. Mostly cloudy.
Okay. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this, and that will be it.